Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from integrations. We have to integrate root tan x plus root cot x dx. So let's get it started by considering given integration as I first. Now we can write I equal to integration root tan x plus cot is 1 over tan. So I will write 1 over root tan x dx. Now I will write integration root tan x plus I will multiply here with root tan x, numerator and denominator. So root tan x divided by tan x dx. Now root tan x is common. So integration square root tan x in bracket 1 plus 1 over tan x times dx. Now 1 over tan is cot. So we can write integration square root tan x in bracket 1 plus cot x dx. This is so far I. Let me write here I equal to, I will be writing integration square root tan x in bracket 1 plus cot x dx. Now substitution time. Let me consider tan x is equal to t square. Let tan x is equal to t square. So differentiate with respect to x LHS, with respect to t RHS. I will be writing here sec square x dx will be equal to 2t dt. Sec square x, I can write 1 plus tan square x using formula times dx equal to 2t dt. So tan x is t square, tan square x will be in terms of t, it will be t power 4. So 1 plus t power 4 times dx equal to 2t dt. So we can write dx is equal to 2t over 1 plus t power 4 dt. This substitution we can apply in place of dx. So let us write I. I will be this integration square root. I will write tan x is equal to t square. So root tan x will be t, only t, times 1 plus cot x. So I will be writing 1 over tan x, 1 over t square, and dx I will write 2t over 1 plus t power 4. This is our dx dt. Now I will take LCM here. Denominator t square will be cancelled out. Let's simplify. So I will be equal to, let me write once. This was integration t times 1 plus 1 over t square. Dx was 2t over 1 plus t power 4 times dt. Now I will take LCM, so I will be writing t as it is. This will be t square plus 1 over t square. Here we are having 2t in denominator 1 plus t power 4 dt. Now we can cancel t square with the denominator t square. So ultimate value of I will be integration 2 is constant. So I will be writing t square plus 1 over t power 4 plus 1 dt. Now I will be dividing our numerator and denominator by t square. So let us divide. I will divide by t square here. So I need to divide the same t square. So I can write I equal to 2 times integration. It will become 1 plus 1 over t square. This is numerator. And denominator will be t square plus 1 over t square dt. Now I will add and subtract 2 in the denominator. So I will be writing here minus 2 and plus 2. So from these three terms, I can write I equal to 2 times integration 1 plus 1 over t square. In denominator, it will be t minus 1 over t whole square plus 2. Now you can see denominator is t minus 1 over t whole square plus 2. Let me write here I equal to 2 times integration of 1 plus 1 over t square divided by t minus 1 over t whole square plus 2 dt. Now again we will consider substitution and see t minus 1 over t. I will consider equal to u suppose. So I will differentiate both sides. So 1 minus this will give us 1 over t square and dt equal to du. So I can write from here dt will be equal to du over 1 plus 1 over t square. So this numerator will be over, or we can straight away write du in the numerator from these two. Okay, now denominator will be, let me write here 2 times integration du over, this will be u square plus 2. Remember our substitution is u is equal to t minus 1 over t and tan x is equal to t square. Let me write here I equal to 2 times integration du over u square plus root 2 square. Now I will write one general formula integration dx over x square plus a square. It will be equal to 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus integration constant c. So we will use that formula. I will be writing I equal to 2 times, now a is root 2. So I will be writing 1 over a. So 1 over root 2. Then tan inverse. In place of x it is u over root plus integration constant c. Now u was, let me write here, our value u was t minus 1 over t and tan x, or better is to write root tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t square. So root tan x is equal to t. Okay, so here I can cancel these two and this will be root 2 only. So I can write root 2 tan inverse t minus 1 over t divided by root plus c. Now I can take LCM in the numerator. So t square minus 1 over root 2t. Let me write root 2 times tan inverse t square minus 1 over root 2 times t plus integration constant c. This is I. Let me put bracket. Now root 2 times tan inverse. Let's put the value of t. T is square root tan x. So I can write here square root tan x. So t square will be tan x only. Okay. tan x minus 1 over root 2 times root tan x. So better is to write root 2 times tan x plus integration constant c. This is our ultimate answer or final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.